We are at our core value investors. So we are constantly weighing price and value and continuously monitoring that for investments that give us a margin of safety. And I think that core of being an investor, not a speculator, is what we hold true.
I've always felt like the only way you're going to keep and maintain the trust of your clients is knowing them personally and understanding what it is that they're trying to achieve, and then being able to go out and sometimes create the solution for that client.
I love what I do for my clients. I kind of feel like Warren Buffett when he says he tap dances to work every day. I feel like if you love your work and love your job, you never work another day in your life.
Why do we feel we're different? And it is that personal approach. So you can't help to feel part of someone's family when you've had a 26-year relationship. When I've seen little Bobby be born and then go to college, it's kind of cool to be part of that and to know that we were helping them to make sure he got there.